In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back in my world class. Today I am here with a new topic which is my school. First we need to know that what is school. Dear students, school is a place where you come to learn the basics you need to know about the life and for the next level. When you learn about the EPL exercises, the exercises that related to your practical life, that plays an important role in your daily lives. In school, there are lots of teachers who helps you to learn, such as in classroom, a teacher helps you in mathematical learning. In library, a teacher guides you that how to read the books. During break time, teacher guides you about the good manners. In art room, a teacher helps you and also guides you during your art activities. In music room, a teacher sings rhyme with you to make you happy. In the playground, a sport teacher guides you about games. मीन्स स्कूल वो जगह होती है जहाँ पर आप आते हो सीखने के लिए बुनियादी चीज़ें जो कि आपके लिए ज़रूरी होती हैं आपकी ज़िंदगी के लिए और आपके नेक्स्ट लेवल्स के लिए। लाइक जब हम एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं EPL एक्सरसाइजेस, उसमें आपको सिखाया जाता है कि आपने कैसे अपनी डेली रूटीन में परफॉर्म करना है। और जैसे कि आप क्लासरूम में देख सकते हो, टीचर आपको गाइड करती है मैथमेटिकल लर्निंग में, आपकी हेल्प करती है रीडिंग में, आपको गुड मैनर्स सिखाती है खाने के, आपकी आर्ट एंड एक्टिविटीज़ में आपकी मदद करती हैं, आपको राइम्स सिखाने की आपके साथ राइम्स सिंग करती हैं और स्पोर्ट्स में आपको गेम्स के बारे में गाइड करती हैं। Now here we have a page with lots of activities. I am going to give you this page as your homework. As you can see here, obviously when you come to school, you want to do painting, you want to explore the things, you want to take the swings, you want to read the books, you want to listen the stories by your teacher, and you want to do more activities. You can take all those activities which you want to do in school. मीन्स जैसा कि आप इस पेज पर देख सकते हो, हमारे पास बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं। ये सब आपका होमवर्क है। जब आप स्कूल आते हो, आपका पेंटिंग को भी दिल करता है, आप चीज़ें भी दरियाफ्त करना चाहते हो, स्विंग भी लेने को दिल करता है और रीडिंग भी करते हो, टीचर से स्टोरीज भी सुनते हो। आप वो तमाम एक्टिविटीज़ टिक कर सकते हो जो आपका स्कूल आकर करने को दिल करता है। Now come on this page. Here we have some more pictures. This page is also included in your homework. As you can see here, you have to make the circle around the things that you can see in the classroom. इसमें आपको उन चीज़ों के गिर्द दायरा लगाना है जो कि आप कमरा जमात में देख सकते हो। So let's start from the first picture. Here we have a whiteboard. Have you ever seen a whiteboard in the class? Yes, in class our teacher teaches you by the help of whiteboard. So you will make a circle around the whiteboard. कमरा जमात में टीचर आपको व्हाइट बोर्ड की मदद से पढ़ाती हैं तो आप इसके गिर्द एक दायरा लगाओगे। Have you ever seen the books in the classroom? Yes, books are an important part of the class. You cannot learn, you cannot read without the books. So you will make a circle around the books. आप बुक्स के गिर्द दायरा लगाओगे क्योंकि बुक्स के बगैर आप याद नहीं कर सकते, कुछ पढ़ नहीं सकते, तो उनके गिर्द आप दायरा लगाओगे। Have you ever seen a fridge in the classroom? No, fridge has no place in the class. फ्रिज की कमरा जमात में कोई जगह नहीं है। Have you ever seen a bathtub in the classroom? No, bathtub has also no place in the classroom. bathtub की भी क्लास में कोई जगह नहीं है। Have you ever seen a pencil in the classroom? Yes, pencil is very important in the class. You cannot write without a pencil in the class. So you will make a circle around the pencil. पेंसिल बहुत ज़रूरी है क्लास में। आप पेंसिल के बगैर नोटबुक पर राइट नहीं कर सकते, तो इसके गिर्द आप एक दायरा लगाओगे। Have you ever seen a computer chair in the classroom? No, you can see this chair in the computer lab. So you will not make a circle around this. Have you ever seen a brush in the classroom? Paintbrush? No, paintbrush has no place in the classroom. Have you ever seen a bag? Yes, bag is very important part of the class. So you will make a circle around the bag. Bag class का एक important part है, तो आप इसके गिर्द एक दायरा लगाओगे. Now look at the last picture. Have you ever seen broom in the class? No, broom has no place in the class, so you will not make a circle around this. As you can see, here we have one more page. On this page, we have to make the circle around those kids who are not playing safely in the playground. इस जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, ये हमारे पास एक और पेज है. इस पेज पे कुछ पिक्चर्स बनी हैं. हमें सिर्फ उन पिक्चर्स की गिर्द दायरा लगाना है, उन बच्चों के गिर्द दायरा लगाना है जो कि मोहतात होकर सही तरीके से नहीं खेल रहे. Now look at the first picture. Here we have two girls. They are playing with the ball. Are these girls safe? Yes, these are playing safely in the playground. Now look at this picture. Here we have a boy or a girl who are trying to play with the ball. Are these safe? Yes, these are playing safely in the ground. Now look at this guy. He is trying to take the slide in the standing position. Is he safe? No, he is not safe. Never try to take the slide in this position. It can be a cause of injury. कभी भी स्लाइड को इस तरह खड़े होकर लेने की कोशिश ना करो, ये आपको चोट लगने की वजह बन सकता है. Now look at this boy. Is he safe on the round swing? No. Never try to take the round swing in this position. It can also be a cause of injury. ये भी चोट लगने की वजह बन सकती है. घूमने वाले झूले को कभी भी इस तरह से मत लें. And never try to sit near the moving swing. This boy is also not safe. So we will make the circle around both guys. This one and around this one. These both are not safe. Now look at this girl. She is taking the seesaw in the standing position. Is she safe? No, she is also not safe because when the swing will move up and down, it can be a cause of injury for this girl. जब स्विंग मूव करेगा ऊपर नीचे की तरफ, तो ये इस लड़की को चोट लगने की वजह बन सकता है. So she is not playing safely in the playground. We will make a circle around this girl. As you can see at this picture, the boy was not playing safely, so he got injured. We will also make a circle around this guy. Now as homework, here we have one more page. On this page, you have to do color just in those things which you can see in the playground. इस पेज पर कुछ तस्वीर बनी हैं. आपने सिर्फ उन तस्वीरों में कलर करना है जो कि आप देख सकते हो खेल के मैदान में. So listen to me carefully. Here we have our first picture, which is whiteboard. Have you ever seen this board in the playground? No, whiteboard has no place in the playground. You can see this board in the class. No need to do color in this picture. ये बोर्ड हमें कमरा जमात में नजर आता है, खेल के मैदान में नहीं होता. इसमें कलर करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Have you ever seen the books in the playground? No, books has also no place in the playground. You can see these books in the classroom. No need to do color in this picture. On the third one, here we have a picture of swing. Have you ever seen the swing in the playground? Yes, you will do color in this picture. Have you ever seen the bench in the playground? Yes, you will also do color in this picture. Now, have you ever seen the colors in the playground? No, you can see these things in the classroom. No need to do color in this picture. Have you ever seen the newspaper in the playground? No, no need to do color in this picture. Have you ever seen the slide in the playground? Yes, you will do color in this picture. Have you ever seen the flowers in the playground? Yes, you will also do color in the picture. I hope you understand the lecture. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.